Hi guys, welcome to Neutral.X360 again. Like I said, this is where you master the market and this is where we unlock your potential. So today we'll be talking about candle trading and structure trading. Yes, the two are different. Don't get me wrong, it's not candlestick pattern or it's not candlestick or alright. So don't quote that. Candle trading is different from structure trading. Okay, candle trading and structure trading, they are different. Alright, so I'll be breaking everything down in this video. Stay tuned and let's get to work. So guys, welcome again to Neutral.X360 and let's dive on this section. Alright, remember we are saying we are talking about two types of trading. Okay, I hope you guys can see this clearly. Let me make it bold. Yes, so we say two types of what trading, which we said we have the structure and the candle. We say one, we have the candle, and we say the second, we have what the structure. All right. See, oh my God, and I saw what I was writing. Sorry about that. Structure trading. Okay. So if you're writing, guys, write this down. We have two type of what trades. Okay, you have the candle and the structure, and yes, most traders do know much about trading. Okay, they know about price going to the upside, going to the downside, all right, but they don't know which particular one they are doing. Is it that they are doing candle trading or structure trading? Okay, candle trading simply means the scalpers. All right, that's what they call the scalpers. They'll say they are the scalpers. Okay, they take their movement from a lower time frame, from higher time to a lower time frame, to get quick movement and get out for like quick move. All right, then day traders will say they also enter from higher time frame, get out within the day. Swing trader will say they hold for a very long time, right? But they are not telling you guys what the major purpose of all that. All right, so we have three phase. Okay, we have the micro. I don't really know much about the macro, or is it that the micro or the macro that is higher? So I don't really know. So if you got that right, put that in the comment section. Okay, then the major standard lot. Okay, the major standard lot. All right, so this micro, now this is from the lower time frame, from, let me say, from 1 hour below. Yeah, from 1 hour below to like 15 minutes. Okay, then this macro, or probably I'm pronouncing the macro instead of all right. So this is a good study section. Okay, so the micro or the macro this time around is from a lower time frame perspective. Okay, from 15 minutes or the 5 minutes to 1 minute. Okay, then the lot is your normal standard lot, whereby you see your 4 hours and your 1 hour. You are not moving apart from there, your 4 hours or your 1 hour. Okay, so in candle trading, let me explain more about candle trading now. All right, I think I need to explain more about candle trading. The first topic here, candle trading. This is the art of, I think I need to write it down. This is the art of trading a single candle. Okay, a single candle, right? So this is the art of trading a single candle. We all say every candle is what, right? every candle carries what? A trend, but still you don't know where the trend is still coming from. Okay, we say every candle was carries a trend. Okay, let's say this is a candle and we get a trend inside this candle. You must have seen all those people who say they are MCT, ICT, blah blah. All right, so then we have what? Then this candle, so each candle carries a trend. That is telling you guys that the more lower time frame you go for your entry, right? The more lower time frame you go for entry, the more you are losing points. Okay, the more lower time frame you go for your entry, the more you are losing points. The more you are turning into a candle trader, not a structure trader. All right. So basically, you start trading just a single candle movement. All right, so you can get in. Let's say your entry was on the 15 minutes and your 15 minutes is creating higher high, higher low, right? Your 15 minutes is creating higher higher low. Definitely you want to like let me add position since price is going to my direction, or let me start putting my price at break even, right? So the moment you start thinking like that, you'll be like, okay, this is what I need to do. Then you see later, you see your pair just reverse back, tapped on, let me say, and 30 minutes or 1 hour demand zone, or just trying to balance a zone inside the candle. Okay, then just spike like this. You get stopped at maybe from this point here, or you get stopped at even before you even get close to your entry zone. All right, because this time around you are trading a candle, not structure. Sometimes you get scared out to get out of a trade because you're already trading a candle. So this is the art of trading a single candle. So we all say candles, each candle carries what? A trend. So now let's move down to what? Structure trading. Structure trading, this aspect, all right, this aspect in structure trading is the aspect of you can wait on a single time frame. All right, okay. This is the art of waiting on a single time frame. All right, so this is the art of waiting on a single time frame. So basically, if you see all those people now who tell you, okay, I follow market price action, I follow structure, guys, they just want to teach you how structure move, but they don't want to tell you how which time frames are lying and which time frame give you the perfect structure to take your trade from, to say, okay, let me stay for this, let me hold this position for this, let me start scaling properly, let me use all those kind of movement. And yes, if you have not seen risk management and how to scaling with that, go and watch that, and also market structure video, okay, and see how time frame move each time frame. All right, so that was on live on YouTube. Yes, so we did a live session with that section. Okay, so I hope you guys are understanding this movement. So structured trading, this is the art of waiting on a single time frame. So let's say this is the 1 hour, this is the 1 hour time frame. Okay, the 1 hour time frame is telling us we have a good momentum, all right, or we have a good structure, like structure of we are waiting for price to retrace, then for us to get in for a buy. All right, so we are having that type of structure here. So but definitely the structure is not yet that is not formed completely, because we also need a retest, right? So a lot of people going down to the lower time frame, like they'll go start going down to their 5 minutes, 15 minutes to get a perfect entry on that. Yes, it's not about to get a clean entry from that point, because you'll be going down to this zone and getting stopped out on a candle trade is likely high, like is likely high, because your zone you are entering with a tiny amount, right? And the lower the time frame you go, the more the candle split. Okay, the lower the time frame you go, the more the candle split. Let's say from this 1 hour you have like 8 points on this candle, right? if you go to 30 minutes, for this 8 point will turn to 16 points. Okay, are you guys getting this point? Because it will double, it will turn to 16 points, because the more you go there, it's like onion. The more you peel, you see another one, but this one, the more you peel, you see much noise. Okay, that's why I keep saying the lower time frame are rise. Okay, don't go to a lower time frame, they are all liars. So once you get that confirmation on your, even on your higher time frame, you can take your entry from there, because now it's confirming that, and the candle won't just wick down to like uh drop down with a huge wick, except a global news or something like that. Okay, the candle will just wick down like that. Once you get in on that trade, then boom, you can see your trade start running, and this time around you can start holding your trade for days, weeks, because the more the structure form, the more you keep adding position and keep moving your stops. Okay, now you guys now see the difference between structured trading and candle trading. So candle trading, you can easily get set up every week, every day, every time, and now, okay, you can easily get your structure. So this basically means some people over trade, they overdo things because they don't know they are actually trading candle instead of structure. Okay, you want to trade structure where the money lies. Okay, candle, yes, the money lies on candle if you programmed yourself. Okay, it won't be fair to you. You are telling yourself that I want to do trades today, I want to hold my trade today. At the end of the day, you are trading like a candlestick trader. You all know, if you get on a trade on a structured time frame, you waited for that setup, so for days to form, so you have to wait for days to give you the maximum profit you want. So for candle trading, you wait for it immediately, you got in immediately, so you need to also scale out immediately. For example, another example again before we end this section. Okay, let's say we have the 1 hour, something like this on the 1 hour. Okay, let me turn this to green so you guys can get this sharp movement. Then we got a red candle just like this. Okay, and this red candle has given us a long wick. All right, so this candle has given us a long wick here. I think I need to change this color here so it will make more sense. Has given us a long wick, but it retraced back like this. Okay, on the 1 hour, just know that the next red candle that will form, okay, the next red candle that will form, it will be bearish to fill up this move. Okay, to fill up this wick here. So on the 5 minutes, it will look something like this. We are going to the upside, right? Then we'll get the shift here. Once you get that break, this will be our setup. Okay, this is where the weak retracement will come from. On the 5 minutes, will look something like this. Okay, then once you get this new candle, because we are trading candle, then you see the movement comes down again to retest maybe like 30 minutes demand, then you see get that your clean sharp movement to the upside again. Okay, so this is how your candle will now be looking like. So are you guys getting this whole pattern correctly? So if you enjoy this section, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. It's not easy to keep doing things like this and opening you guys eyes. Okay, I told you guys this year I'm unlocking a lot of potentials on the chart. All right, so hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and do comment videos you really want or the side or any part of in Forex you're having issue in. Okay, then I'll make sure I come online, do a video for you particularly. All right, so do drop a comment on that box. See you guys soon on the next section. Peace out. I hope you guys now understand the difference between candle trading and structured trading. So now go and implement this in your own trading style. All right, like I told you guys, trading is very easy. Anytime you lose on the chart, ask yourself, why did I lose? Am I candle trading or am I structured trading? See you guys soon on the next video. Peace.